How to add a countdown to Wix. So in order to add a countdown to Wix, we need to head over right here to a new tab and search in here for Elf site. Once you're on your Elf site, you just need to sign up for an account in order to get or choose some of their applications. For this case, let's head over and click onto the search widgets and let's search in here for countdown. So from in there, we can see in here this countdown option. Head over and click on that. Then from in there, you can just find in here what kind of template you wish to add. We have in here sale banners, timers, urgency countdown, event countdown, as well as a lot more. For this case, I'll head over and then choose in here a particular theme countdown. For example, let's choose in here this part. Click on this create, then choose in here the actual remaining time period as well as set the time in for that. And also install it to the required position. Once you're done, you can head over and publish it and you should be able to see it. So let's close it for now. And you can find it right around here. So click onto this install option, click on copy code, then head back to your Wix site. Click onto this plus icon, click onto this quick add, scroll all the way down until you can find iframe. Then attach it right around here. Now once you have attached it, just head over and click on the enter code that will appear. Now in here, just paste what we have copied and click on update. Then after that, the countdown timer should be able to be added right here. So that's how you add a countdown to Wix. Hope we helped.